Movie Review Passengers. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the another movie discussions. My name is Thais Nieves, and I really enjoy suspense and thriller movies. Today, we will talk about the 2008 movie Passengers. This is a mystery, suspense, and drama movie directed by Rodrigo Garcia. The cast features Annie Hathaway as Claire Summers, Patrick Wilson as Eric Clark, and David Morse as Arkin and Clea Duval as Shannon. The history is about a young therapist named Claire who helps five survivors after a plane crash. While she talks to them, they begin to remember stranger things about the accidents. Claire becomes suspicious when the survivors start disappearing one by one. The problem gets more mysterious when Claire discovers that nothing is what it seems. I watched this film recently and I really loved it because it was very exciting. While watching it, felt surprised and nervous during the mysterious suspense and tense moments. In my opinion, the story was very interesting, and I really like the mystery and tensions throughout the movie. Furthermore, the actors interpreted their roles very well. However, some parts of the story were a little confusing. Personally, I think this movie is a worth watching because it has mystery, suspense, and surprising story. You should watch it for me. This movie deserves 5 out of 5 stars because it was exciting, mystery, suspense, and memorable. Thank you for watching my review. See you next time.